It's 10 years since Sara Payne was murdered, abducted by Roy Whiting, a known sex offender, but one that her parents didn't know about. Now, after a decade of campaigning, her mother Sara has created a lasting legacy for her daughter, one which allows every parent to check if their child is in the presence of a paedophile. Speaking to the national newspaper that supported her fight, Sara Payne spoke of her relief at finally getting the law changed. Cambridgeshire was one of 4 pilot areas to try out the so-called Sarah's Law. It was so successful that the Home Office is rolling it out nationally.
I think it gives parents that choice whether to find out more information or not, and I think that they've made a good decision.
I'd hope that I would never have to use it. I don't think I would, but you just don't know, do you? You don't know who's going to move in next door to you and such like.
Any parent or carer can contact police if they have concerns about someone in contact with a child. Police will then tell you if that person has a previous conviction, but you have to keep it confidential. It's already protected more than 60 children from abuse. Today, it's rolled out to 8 more police forces, going national by next spring, with a pilot also planned for Scotland.
The police will have been trained in relation to disclosing information to the adult who has gone and reported. Perhaps they register a concern about the way another adult is behaving towards a child. They're worried about what their intentions might be, and the police were then able to look at that. And I've seen already that that's meant cases where perhaps somebody, the adult whose behaviour is concerning, has proved to be a previous sex offender, and there's been possible to protect the child as a result.
In many ways, it's a watered-down version of the American Megan's Law. Over there, names, pictures and addresses are published. Back here, there are worries that even limited information could end up in the wrong hands.
In the 4 pilot areas, it's been very tightly managed, but rolling it out nationally, our concerns are clearly the potential for vigilante action and this information to leak out wider and then offenders to disappear and go underground, leaving children much more at risk.
From spring next year, parents right across England and Wales are going to be able to carry out these checks. While critics are concerned that it may push paedophiles even further underground, the Home Office are keen to play up the positives, stressing how many children it's already protected from potential abuse. Rhiannon Mills, Sky News.